Last summer I had a heart attack, and when I was in the hospital, my neighbor told my daughter to contact Rebuilding Together. First thing we had to do was clean everything out of the house, all the furniture, everything, and then a group of volunteers came and ripped out all the old carpeting and got it ready for who was going to volunteer to start rebuilding the 2 new rooms that they built, which was a bedroom and a bathroom on the main floor. Before that, the bedroom was upstairs, the bathroom was downstairs, the laundry was down in the small basement. Now it's all on one floor, so much more convenient, easier to live. Well, instead of coping with coming down these steep stairs in the middle of the night to go all the way to the back of the house for the bathroom, now it's like right next to my bedroom. Everything is on one floor, much more easy. They put in new flooring, which you can just sweep it. They basically gutted the kitchen, and it's all new to me. It was tear out from another house, and it fit in my kitchen quite well. You know, obviously over the years I'd accumulated a number of things that I had made, like the desks, some chairs, and some photos that I had gotten and framed. I like to use, you know, if possible, why not reuse like the wood or wainscoting or flooring or something, and then all I have to do is clean it up and reuse it, and it has a character to it that, you know, it's kind of a popular trend now. The first group were these bicyclists that came through town volunteering. There were 8 of them came over here, and they did a lot of work in one day. They tore out all the carpeting, painted some walls, and cleaned up a lot of stuff. And then there was a big group. They did a lot of work one day. Yeah, the volunteers, everybody was like extremely friendly and helpful. Couldn't ask for better work. I mean, it wound up with basically almost this main floor of the house is almost like brand new now. You know, it kind of renews your faith in humanity, because all of the volunteers that they get and the donations and things like that, that's what I'm gonna, you know, that line about paying it forward. If they'll let me help them, I guess I will.